Welcome back. In this video, we're going to use text magic and we're going to create a video sales letter for free from start to finish. So basically, this is the exact process I used to create the video sales letters for free AI money plus the upsell. Step 1, we created a video sales letter script. Step 2, we copied the script into Google Slides and we formatted. It's a little time consuming. From there, we downloaded all the slides. From there, we generated the voiceover using text magic. Now, keep in mind, text magic has a 2,500 character limit. And with that, to me, it made absolutely no difference because all you do is you get 4 audio files and you drag them together. It's very quick. It's simple. It only takes a second. Next, I imported all the images and audio into my video editing software and I aligned the slides and I saved it. That was it. So we're going to go through all of that now. Obviously, I'm not going to spend an hour formatting the slides or anything like that. I'm just going to show you what I have here. So this is the video sales letter script. And as you can see here, I just kind of divided it into 4 separate parts so I could get 4 separate audios and stick within the limits. With all this text here, depending on what way you create your script, there's different ways to do it. But what I did is, in this case, we copied them all into slides. So all I did is I created all the slides like this and we downloaded them. So you've still got that effect and that formatting in place. With that said, people might be asking why aren't I using animated images and slides in the background with graphics and stuff like that. Doing this so many years, I found that anything on a sales page that can be distracting. I want people to read the text. I want them to get into the copy. I don't want them distracted by background images. A lot of people might disagree with me on that, but from my testing, this type of sales video letter has worked for me for years. So I wanted to continue with this style, just using artificial intelligence to create it. So let's just open up and show you what way this works from start to finish. So we'll go to text. Text magic, and I tested a bunch of different softwares for this, and this was the most realistic voice that I could find for free. I went through dozens and dozens, and there's so many, like the robot voices that we used to see 2 or 3 years ago that no one really used. I was 100% happy with this. You have all these different voices that you can choose from. What I did is I downloaded maybe 3 or 4 different ones, and I found for my one I ended up using, I think it was Harold. So with that, you just select your voice, you come along, you select the text, click paste, and you can see here I'm below the character limit. Click I am not a robot, click download. And within whatever 30 seconds or so, you have your MP3 file, which is pretty cool. I'm going to play this. I hope I have audio on. If not, you can just trust that it's good. You can watch the examples.
First off, congratulations on your purchase of free AI money. I'm super excited for you because you just made a very wise decision that will have a massive impact on your income.
Absolutely perfect for what I'm doing it. So basically all I did is repeat that. The next time I grabbed the next section of text, I pasted it in here, I clicked download again. Within a minute, we've got our video sales letter script created with audio. Right, so the next step, this is the lesson in this, guys. It can really speed it up. So import media. I have, these are all the slides. And then we have the 4 parts of audio here. So click open. It's going to import everything like this. And again, you should be able to edit this. This is a 5-minute video. You should be able to edit it in less than 10 minutes using this method. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, place them in like this. Okay, so perfect. All our audio is there. Next, I want to grab all the slides. So start from 1. Okay, so next we grab all the images and drag them into the timeline. Okay, perfect. Right, as you can see, they're all the exact same length. Obviously, the different slides are going to be different lengths in audio due to what we're actually saying. I do apologize. It's a little bit jumpy because I'm recording Camtasia and using Camtasia at the same time. It is usually a lot quicker. And so we have the first slide here. What you will see here in the audio, you've got these little gaps. Now, they're a good indication that that is a new slide. So we just grab the first slide, we drag it down here. We extend the slide to the end of the gap. We grab the second slide, extend it to the end of the gap. That looks about right. Again, grab the next. So we just keep doing this and we extend it where we need to extend it. We shorten it where we need to shorten it. Okay, and if you want a better idea, you can kind of zoom in here. That looks good. That looks good. That needs to be shortened. And then on to the next. So basically there's 60 slides here. Again, this should not take more than 5 minutes. And then to test it, you just go back to the start. Obviously I need to make them full size. I must have imported them when the size was small.
You are about to discover my internal AI leveraged online marketing system I use to put together wildly profitable campaigns that generate sales on complete autopilot. It takes minutes to build using completely free artificial intelligence tools. What I'm about to reveal to you is my secret weapon for
It's absolutely perfect now. Obviously, I need to resize them. You shouldn't have to resize them. It just, some of them happened the way I imported them. But you could just continue this for the rest of the slides until you get to the end of the video. I do recommend just watch it from start to finish. And another little tip when you're doing this, when I noticed there was 1 or 2 typos in the slides, and when there's a typo in the slide and you simply copy paste the audio, for example, let's say this said contest, for example, and you only realize that after recording the video. Well, in that case, you just go back to the Google Slides, you edit that particular slide to the right wording, and then go back to free Magic Tools, and you can take just that sentence, download the MP3, and all you need to do there is, and let me show you this little trick. For example, it's the slide. You would right click, select all, right click, select all, and then you would cut that out. You will replace the new slide here and you replace the new audio here. And it's basically video editing 101. I never ever worry about mistakes in videos, even live videos like this. They can always be cut and cropped and re-recorded if needed. So that's really it, guys. It's super simple. It's just following these steps. It's getting everything in place, having all your slides here, which is basically just copy pasting the text, having your audio, which is super quick and simple once you have the text, and then it's just putting it all together and formatting. Now, as I said, this way is 100% free. It might be a little bit time consuming for some. In the other video methods, we're going to left Pictory, for example, is a lot faster in that example. Okay, that's it. I will see you in the next video.